Who was Sultan Mahmud Ghaznavi and why famous? Robber or fighter? Sultan Mahmud Ghaznavi was a powerful Muslim ruler and the founder of Ghaznavi Empire and famous for his 17 attacks on subcontinent India. Ghaznavi Empire was placed in present-day Afghanistan and parts of Iran, Pakistan, and northern India. Sultan Mahmud Ghaznavi is one of the most famous figures in Islamic history due to his powerful military. He was also famous for his support of culture and learning and his role in spreading Islam across the Indian subcontinent. He have led around 17 attacks on India. His famous raids were against the wealthy temples of northern India, such as the famous raid on the Somnath temple in 1025, where he looted the temple and brought back vast amount of wealth to his empire. Subtagin, the father of Mahmud Ghaznavi, had established the Ghaznavi dynasty, but it was Mahmud who expanded and solidified its power. He made Ghazni in present-day Afghanistan the empire's capital and used it as a base to launch his military campaigns. Sultan Mahmud was also a great patron of culture and arts. He encouraged Persian literature and utilized many scholars, poets, and historians. One of the most famous scholars associated with his was the Persian poet Firdausi, who wrote the Shahabnama, Book of Kings. As a devout Muslim, Mahmud sought to spread Islam in the region he conquered. His military campaigns were often framed as religious missions to remove idolatry and establish Islamic rules. However, his raids, especially in India, are seen in some historical narrative as both destructive and religiously motivated. Legacy of Sultan Mahmud is mixed. On one hand, he is admired for his military powers and his role in spreading Islam. On the other hand, his attacks of India are often seen as critical, especially by those who view the raids as acts of robbery rather than expansion for religious and political reasons.